Oh shit, we got the whole gang out here.
The Goliath. We caught 2 that week. Oh, really? I caught 2 that same day.
What up, bro?
I caught 2 that same day. I landed 1.
How big were they?
The first one I hit. You
What up,
bro?
Aaron, right?
Yep. No.
Yeah, you cast me?
No,
Huh? You
like
cast
like
me?
80,
Yeah.
60. Somewhere in that bracket. Because I
Where?
saw the back of them.
Here?
Yeah, here, bro. But I couldn't stop him because every time you
Going
I
up
get
the
the brakes on
I
him.
make
Oh,
one nets and all that shit.
Oh, for real?
So now
Yeah,
you
he
find a
goes
fish.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
You know you blind man, right?
Yeah.
Raj?
Yeah, that's my brother.
That's your brother?
Yeah.
The fish was to know.
Oh shit. What about the Van Stall out here too?
Nah, Celtics.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Lane's a little bit. I ain't fishing that right now.
That's the bait there? What kind of bait? No tilapia?
I got 1 tilapia and then 1 cichlid. I tried this earlier. I built a rod too.
Oh for real?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Everything fishing practice is built.
Damn. That does rod look nice, man.
Yeah.
Got the bluegill home to the star real quick. Oh, I think the star. Shit, that's the thing Avid. You already know we're rocking the no live bait needed today. Got the Van Stall out here playing no games on the custom. Sheesh. Hold on, I'm trying to figure out what these guys are trying to catch right there on top. God damn, these guys, they hooked up?
Red rod. I don't know.
It's either that or you got a rock. Had a Kubera earlier? Wait, hold on, talk to me. What's going on?
I just lost 30-inch Kubera snapper.
Damn. That must have hurt, bro. He frayed you off?
I got 4 slots though.
Oh,
They're my car.
Oh shit. Where you playing no games? Oh. Kubera on? You getting finesse, bro?
It's that 40-inch Kubera down there.
You gotta be the one giving lessons, not taking them. What's up? Talk to me.
30-inch Kubera.
Boys out here slaying the Kuberas.
Am I right?
Sheesh. Let me see. Keeper?
Oh no.
Nah.
These kids are keeping snapper.
Dang. Hold up. Kubera. Baby Kubera right here.
Get the long arm.
Sheesh. Damn, bro. Boys out here popping them Kuberas like crazy. Hey, what you know about it? Hey. Turn up. So you're using what? Whole pilchers? Live?
Yeah.
Dropping straight to the bottom?
Yep.
Damn, what a legend, bro. Spillway master legend. Alright, guys, just got to the spillway. Got my boy Yuri out here throwing the cast net. Probably got about a couple hundred pilchards out there. At least. So much you gotta throw something back. And we got the custom rods out here. We got the live bait. Got the spillway legend right here in the flesh. Popping them Kuberas. Uh-oh. Wait, hold on. That boy said he was getting raped on God. God damn.
Ain't no evidence. Turn the camera on after.
I'm gonna cut that out, bro. I'm gonna cut that part out. Don't worry.
I'll post that on YouTube.
On God? Nah, y'all playing with me. It went down for real?
Honestly, it depends.
Was it on God though?
God damn, bro. Yo, if I got no more bait, I'm finna leave. I got no more bait.
Yeah, we got the whole Guggen squad out here, man. We got everybody pulling up. It's like a whole family reunion out here.
Yo, your line is crossing.
Yo, we got a whole family reunion out here right now, man. And they got all the fishing poles out here. We got people on the top, we got people on the side. We got lines crossing each other. You know, we got a lure that actually came over here and hit Buddy. Shit. He's about to come over here. He knew what he was doing the whole time. Oh, he's got a stripe on. It's a snook. It's a snook. Keep that rod tip high, bro. Oh, he's using a shiner.
Keep that tip high. You're going near the rocks now.
Hey, you want to go help him land that shit or what? It's big? It's slot?
The whole damn crew over there, you want to go.
Hey.
Nice and easy. You got it.
Alright, buddy's tied on a big old. It might be a slot, bro.
Nah, it ain't no slot. It's on like here.
Alright, so you got his little brother right there about to.
Nah, it's going to be like 26.
You got his little brother right there about to go for the landing. I hope he knows what he's doing.
If it's a slot, I'm out.
You out? If it's slot, you out?
Yeah, of course. Caught all the fish.
Hey, that's a big snook, bro.
He went to my school, you know.
Hey, he might need some help over there, bro.
Nah, he good, bro. He got it, brother. Tie him out, nice and easy. You good?
Oh, no, it's big, bro. It's taking him a minute to get that thing in, bro.
He's on late tapping, bro.
Oh, it's a tarpon.
The snook.
Oh, it's a baby snook.
20.
Yo, this is insane right now, bro. We got his little brother right there.
Keep it like that.
My buddy got tight real quick.
Damn, so that's the same size snook you caught yesterday.
Fishguylu say he's going home if it's a slot. That's it.
Who got hit? Yo,
There we go.
yo, Angel, pick up my rod, Angel.
Oh, Fishguylu.
GoPro.
There we go. We on him. We doubled up. That's what we're looking for right there. That's what we're looking for right there. We doubled up right there, boys.
That's a fish. That's a fish stuck. That's a group.
Get him out the rock.
No, he's stuck. Nah.
All right, we got Fishguylu. Damn, what's that? Not even freaking. Sheesh, bro. What a crazy chain of events right there, man. What happened? Oh my gosh, bro. We got people with lines crossing like crazy. This guy's finally about to release this snook. I mean, it's been about how long? A couple hours? A couple hours out the water? Revive him a little bit, bro. Oh my gosh, what is going on right now? Alright, snook is in the water.
Here, get this shit off. I'm about to start, huh?
Bro.
Jack that hit it? Yes. It ain't no fret. Damn. Even on stuck on bottom, bro, that doesn't make sense.
True. Alright, damn, these guys out fishing everybody right now.
I'm gonna help the guy who owns the green rod in the chat, so do me a favor when you me, and then you guys can go ahead and tag him.
Oh, where's he at? He's hooked up? Alright, yo. We got the family out here. He's hooked up right now on a monster fish, right? A rockfish? What do you think?
Probably rockfish.
A rockfish? A rock snook?
Very common around here. They're invasive species, but if you get one, you know the deal.
God damn. He just needs to pop it or stop it, bro. Stop playing with it. We got the whole gang out here, man. We got the little rods. We got the juniors out here. A nice carcass with a 30 going right down the spillway. They're gonna be like, yo, you eat spillway snook? Hell yeah. You got a fillet knife, bro? Oh, that's how you moving? That's how you moving?
Fishguylu, bro. I'm real surgical with that.
Yo, Fishguylu is the real deal, bro. Yo, Fishguylu is the real deal, bro. If y'all haven't checked out his page already, y'all know what to do. Damn, oh yeah. What are they down there, bro? They're kind of small. 30.
Goliath bait.
Boy out here catching kitty cats.
I've got hit by Goliath on that.
Hold on a second, bro. Yo, boy just had a big old snook. Wait a second. It just crushed his shiner. And I think he tried to set the
We're on
hook.
the wrong side.
No, I don't think we're on any kind of side.
Nah, it's the bait right now, bro. He's throwing shiners, but we're not. Shiners are straight candy right now. Bro, he set the hook and the mangrove came flying out the water. What the hell?
Okay.
Ah, damn, got some big ass jacks out here, bro. Sheesh. On God?
Yeah, oh God, that's a whole
After 20 throws.
No, we need some of the bait.
What? That boy.
We need some of that.
That boy say he's not playing. Honestly, the snooks and stuff ain't really biting right now, but that boy threw the net one time and just got